Cherokee County in northwestern Ohio until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Harbor, or 9 miles west of Fort Clinton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fort Clinton and Oak Harbor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ottawa, and Sandusky. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Monroe around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Newport, Astral Beach, Schofield, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Bowles Harbor, Detroit Beach, and Oakville. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 10 and 26. I-275 between mile markers 1 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Monroe, Michigan. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fulton County in northwestern Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Delta, or near Swanton, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Swanton, Delta, and Braley. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 40 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fulton, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County, northwestern Richland County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Willard to near Canfield, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bucyrus, Shelby, Willard, Plymouth, New Washington, Chatfield, Greenwich, Attica, North Fairfield, Tyrrell, and Sulphur Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, and Seneca.